Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you step by step how to install Claude on your iPhone. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, tap App Store and tap search and search for Claude. Then tap this icon to download Claude on your iPhone. After installing Claude, tap open. And now guys, we need to create a new account on Claude. You can create it by Google or by Apple. Well, I'll choose Apple. Tap continue. Continue with passcode and write your passcode. Perfect, we created a new account on Claude. Now you can ask Claude anything you want. For example, you can ask it in any field you want. Now let's ask Claude some question. For example, what is capital of UK? As you can see. And you can also ask Claude to generate a script for Python or any language programming. For example, generate and this is the simple Python calculator script. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and see you to the next video.